How to remove red underline in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to turn off spell check so those markings stop showing up again. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, click File at the top left. After that, click Options. At this point, click Proofing on the left side of that box. Following this, look under When correcting spelling and grammar in Word. From here, uncheck the box next to Check spelling as you type. At this stage, click OK to apply the change. Once applied, the red wavy underline no longer appears beneath words while you're typing. If you'd rather remove it for just one document instead of turning it off everywhere, there's a more targeted option too. Following this, click File again, then click Options. From here, click Proofing. At this stage, scroll down to Exceptions for your document name. Following this, check the box next to Hide spelling errors in this document only. From here, click OK. That's how you remove red underline in Microsoft Word. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.